Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this Transcendence style to your photos on CapCut mobile. So select a picture that you want to edit or use, and you're just going to select a picture one more time. Then you're just going to press style, which is here. Then you're going to kind of scroll until you find what's in trending. It's the Transcendence one, and you're just going to select it. And you're just going to generate. It does take time to apply this AI effect, so you can like minimize it and it's going to just load and generate for you. As you can see, I'm at 52%, so I'll be right back and I'll of course show you what it looks like when I'm done. I'm just going to end this recording first. Okay, I am back, and this is what the finished product looks like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.